A world without science? What if the world has no technology? Can you even imagine living in a world like that? How different will our everyday lives be? Imagine you're planning to go to work tomorrow in the morning, and there you have, no alarm. You end up late. And how about storing data? You could say that we have paper. Yes, we have paper. But are you sure that your paper will exist long enough to see the next 50 years? Not just that, thanks to the pharmaceutical studies that we are able to survive until this day despite of the existence of many diseases. So today, we are here to present to you the science, mathematics, and computer as a study field for matriculation students after graduating from their college. So, being a matriculation college student in Malaysia is a tough thing nowadays. After graduating from 2 or 4 semesters of studies, students will have to choose one study field that they would like to continue their studies in. So, this brochure is here to help the student that is considering continuing their studies in science, mathematics, and computer study fields. As the name suggests, we can isolate them into 3 parts, which are science, computer, and mathematics. Science is not just a collection of facts and concepts. Instead, it is a method of investigating anything to obtain reliable information from an investigation. We could say that science is the sole way for us to obtain trustworthy information. We are actually using the same method, although in different fields such as physics and chemistry. While the science of mathematics is concerned about the logic of shape, quantity, and order, math is present in every aspect of our lives. Everything in our everyday lives is built on it, including computers, mobile devices, architecture, software, and even art. You will realize that everything needs science and mathematics. So, what are the courses that are available in this study field? I'll give you some of the example, but keep in mind that this is just a fraction of what you could study in this field. It is actually bigger than you thought it will be. So, here we have actuarial science, biotechnology, computer forensic, mathematics, software engineering, physics, pharmaceutical science, medical science, chemistry, information technology, petroleum geoscience, business information system, statistics, computer graphic, and last but not least, computer forensic. Done with the courses part. So let's move on into the subjects that you will learn in the course. I'll just give 4 since we do not have much time. For the first one, in mathematics, you will learn abstract mathematics, basic analytics, linear algebra, multivariable calculus, differential equations, introduction to mathematical statistics, transition to abstract mathematics. For the second one, which is software engineering, first, digital thinking and innovation, intercultural awareness and cultural diversity, system analysis and design, programming with Python, mathematical concepts for computing, operating systems, and computer architecture, and introduction to networking. Moving to the third one, which is actuarial science, probability and statistics, calculus, introductory economics, life contingencies, risk theory, survival analysis, loss models, risk management and insurance, and last one, for pharmaceutical science, the subjects will be CT for pharmacy, calculus, life science, introduction to pharmaceutics, and chemistry. So I would like to move on to the next part, which is pathways. Compared to the other study field, I would like to say that this field have one of the most strict and simple pathways. Matriculation students that took this field just have to continue their studies in the university of their choice for 3 years of bachelor degree. But it still depends on the institution. If you're going to continue your journey of study, you can take 2 years of master, and if you decide to go even further, you can take PhD, which are going to take about 3 to 5 years. That's all from me. Thank you.
Why we must choose science, mathematics, and computing? For your information, when you done graduate from university and you will find the job opportunity that you like due to your course. And the first job opportunity can you achieve is actuaries. An actuary is a business expert who deal with risk and uncertainty measurement and management. And average salary for actuaries is about 45k per year. It's no surprise that demand for actuaries has increased dramatically in Malaysia over the years and is expected to continue since life insurance, retirement benefit consulting, asset management, post-retirement medical benefit, and general insurance are all areas where actuaries work. Second, you can become statistician. A statistician is someone who knows with theoretical or applied statistics. They will develop and supervise experiment and survey as well as deal with data collecting in the beginning. They analyze and process data in context, seeking for pattern to aid in decision making. Average salary for statistician is about 110k per year. Because every firm in the world needs a statistician to help them make decisions, the demand for statisticians is extremely strong. Third, you can become software engineer. A computer programmer, often known as a software developer, a programmer, or more lately a coder, is someone who develops computer software. Average salary for software engineering is about 48k per year. That being said, a lead software engineer could earn to 365k per year. Software engineering career is a great choice is because the field is so broad and encompasses a variety of roles related to both computer application and system. You can also work in most any industry because they all use software to some extent. Fourth, you can become a pharmacist. A pharmacist, often known as a chemist or a druggist, is a healthcare professional who specializes in the formulation, characteristic, effect, interaction, and administration of medication. Average salary for pharmacists is about 60k per year. Pharmacy is a diverse and a rewarding career with opportunity for patient care, scientific research, and innovation. Pharmacists can work in a myriad of professional settings. Fifth, you can be a teacher or lecturer. Lecturers are subject experts who design, develop, and deliver material using a range of methods and platforms. Average salary for teacher or lecturer is about 57k per year. Becoming a university lecturer is that it can be an incredible, rewarding job. You can talk about a subject that you genuinely enjoy. 6. Digital crime specialist. Work closely with law enforcement officers to search, preserve, and analyze information on computer systems that can be used as evidence in a trial. Average salary for digital crime specialist is about 158,000 per year. Many professionals find the field of cybersecurity to be fun and enjoyable due to the importance of the work, the fast pace of change, the challenge of solving problems, and the plentiful career opportunities that are available to them. Thank you, that's all for me.
Okay, today I would like to present why you must choose this university. Firstly, Multimedia University, MMU. This university has achieved many achievements in the past year ago, such as Top 5 Malaysia Private University in Time Higher Education, THB Asia University Ranking, CSB Best Customer Experience Awards 2021, Premier Digital Tech Institution Status 2019, and top 100 in Asian University ranking 2021. The facilities that students can be used at this university is e-gallery, diploma lab, 3D printing lab, graphic video and audio lab, literature lab, ID lab, and AFX lab. This university also have the courses like Master of Science in Information Technology, Master of Science Computer in Software Engineering, and Diploma in Information Technology. The qualification to join this university is you must get CGPA 2.50 and above, and also MET Entry and above. You can contact this university by call 03-831 25777. I repeat 03-831 25777 for Cyberjaya and 06-252 4777, 06-252 4777 for Melaka. So can email to nice.support@mmu.edu.my. Okay, secondly, University Kebangsaan Malaysia UKM. This university also had achieved many achievements past years ago, such as Excellent Service Award 2011 and 2015, Golden Key National Honor Society, Best Research Project 2011 in the Social Science and Humanities categories, MFA Annual Conference 2007. This university also have many facilities to be used by all the students and teachers, such as Pusat Jenis and Bintang Negara, Metabomics Lab, Genomics Lab, Microbiology Lab, Bioinformatics Lab, Biometric Lab, RTPC and Cell Culture Lab. The courses that have at this university is Master of Science Research, Master of Architecture, Bachelor of Science Mathematics, Bachelor of Science Computer with Honor, and Bachelor of Actuarial Science. The qualification to join this university is you must get CGPA 3.0 above and also more than 4 Contact this university by email at pkk@ukm.edu.my. You can also call at 03-8921-5540. This main office. You also can fax to the number 03-8921-4097. Okay, lastly, University Malaya UM. This university is the best university in Malaysia right now and top 1 in Asia. This university had get many achievements in the past year ago, such as Brochure Education Awards and Asia Pacific Medical Education Conference. He had many facilities to be used by all the students, such as the economic regime, swimming pool, Dewan Tukang Counselor, Sabah Memorial Library, Asia Art Gallery, Indian and Islamic Studies Library, and Medical Center. The courses that you can study at this university is Master of Architecture, Diploma in Graphic Design, Bachelor of Science Mathematics, Bachelor of Computer Science Software Engineering, and Bachelor of Actuarial Science. The qualification to join this university is you must have CGPA 3.4 and above and also more than 4 and above. You can contact this university at 03-7967-3502. Okay, I repeat 03-7967-3502, and you can also email to this email corporate@um.edu.my. Okay, thank you. That's all from me.
So let me continue. Today I'm going to share about testimonies and promote tuition fee we provided in our course. First, we go to testimonies. The first person I would like to share is Ten Junxiang. Ten Junxiang is a full-time architecture assistant at ZLG Design. Was a student in UCSI. He gained the Mention Award in 2000 at Reka Award with his project titled Urban Tea Art Center, and also managed to obtain the Best Green Innovation Award in IDA and SEMIA. He said, "My design philosophy always think about the relationship between humans and nature and how they experience in their space. How does it impact them? Design should have a reason. We should not forget about the design process." Next, Adibah Yahaya. She began her studies at UTM KL as a multimedia computer science student. Then she was offered to pursue her degree in UTM Skudai without finishing her diploma. She took work as application support with a local MLIT. 3 years later, she was by IBM, an American multinational technology corporation. She said that she never imagined herself working with the biggest multinational company such as IBM. Now, she currently aiming to work with Microsoft as a premier field engineer. Last but not least, Muid Latif. He is a web designer, graphic designer, and digital artist. He graduated from ITM Shah Alam with a bachelor's degree in visual arts. After graduating, he worked for a few films and design students, including Maxis Hot Links, Petronas Petrosize Discovery Center, Toyota, and Microsoft Singapore. He is living proof that being a graphic designer can take you far beyond your expectation in life. During the KLCC Art Festival in October 2010, Muid became the first digital artist in Malaysia to execute a live digital art show with the Malaysian Philharmonic Orchestra, conducted by the brilliant Harish Shankar.
So next, I want to talk about tuition fees. We have 4 tuition fees, which are actual science, pharmaceutical science, software engineering, and mathematics. Firstly, actual science degree is 10,000 to 20,000 in Indonesia, master is 15,000 to 52,000, and PhD is 20,000 to 50,000. Secondly, pharmaceutical science degree is 16,605 ringgit to 34,910 in Indonesia. Master is 26,000 to 36,000, and PhD is 41,000 to 55,000 in Indonesia. Thirdly, software engineering degree is 12,000 to 55,000. Master is 7,000 to 40,000, and PhD is 15,000 to 30,000 Malaysia. Lastly, paramedics degree is 15,000 to 70,000 Indonesia. Master is 16,605 ringgit to 34,910 Indonesia, and PhD is 35 to 49,500 ringgit Malaysia. I hope this will help you to make a good choice for your future. That's all for me. Thank you.